44th state level Manipur Masters Athletic Meet 2025 kicked off at Khuman Lampak main stadium today. The Masters Athletic Meet is being organized by Manipur Master Athletic Association (MMAA). Media advisor of RIMS and patron member of MMAA Narimbam Phillips, patron member of MMAA and proprietor of Herojit Jewellery L. Herojit, and president of MMAA Lampak Yai Macho graced the opening ceremony. On the opening day, S. Toiba Y. Rojan, Sher Rasimuddin, Muhammad Abbas Khan, El Haimo and Muhammad Aziz Shah won gold medal in 80, 75, 70, 65, 60 and above 45 age category respectively in 5,000-meter walk race, while in women's 5,000-meter walk race, T. Imphal, Salam Aruna and Y. Sobita won gold medals in the respective age category. In shot put event, Muhammad Amamuddin, H. Ibopishak, S. Norin, A. Surchandra O. Nimai, Muhammad Firoz Khan, L. Amarjit, M. Prem, Muhammad Hafiz Uddin, K.H. Bishnu Pradeep and K.H. Premchand won gold medal in their respective age group. In women's shot put event, T.H. Dashu, L. Moirang Leima, N. Ibetoy, L. Bormani, T. Lena, R.K. Bila, O. Sanatombi, Y. Joyshri and P. Halentoy won gold medal in their respective age category. A total of 200 athletes, including 105 men and 95 women, are competing in various events in the two-day-long 44th state-level Manipur Masters Athletic Meet 2025.
Sanaba haibasi pamjaba mayam singa sina ngasidi magi chinba kaya ama leragasu sanaba dudaida thawai luptana andam masibu mingchat puraknaba onabada natana masina kanabasi physically amadi mentally masi fit ohenba haibasi koi mioyba ama oibagi yamna changdaba yadraba aduguma machak amani haina logjai akoi sana khonadana ahallaman oira abasu adumak sanaduna hujuphawa leiba ngamlibase atangba aduguma magulne na ina logjai maramaduna sanabasi lepiganu hakchang nungaina wakhal nungaina leibada Sanabasina, Choba, Taudang Lori Baniasi, Koipuna Makna, Kangara Wapamni.
Master Athletes Asina, Toydanasu, Hantaki Championship Asida, Agi Tajaba Matina, National Championship, that's champion or Kani Hibasija Tajabani, Madam the Karigino Hibu, I coin Oliver performance, Amadi Aikoi Itona, Amadi, Matamamada, athlete, Yankai Humpuka Jalum Madangasidi. National Championship athlete Chamaga Kuntani Pugi Matata participant Tawai represent Tawdana later Nina Asidi Soldana Hantaki Rajasthan Gi Ajmir the Pangtoka the Riba Sugumba Tares won National Master Athletic Championship Asida Manipur na Soldana Champion Oidan Halam Minarsi Amadi Madubu Nanawa Damtamadi Matana the athlete Singi the Aina Sinajare Soldana Madu Pangtopangam Bugani Hibasai Tajaban.